And the final deadly sin we're going to talk about today is blindly trusting third-party tools or older smart maintenance scripts. Okay, my favorite one on this is SQL Server maintenance plans and the maintenance plan wizard, where it will allow you to go in and rebuild all of your indexes. If you click the right combinations of settings, it'll build a script that will rebuild everything and then reorganize everything and then update all the statistics. Now, if you've just rebuilt all of your indexes, you've already got the most up-to-date statistics. They don't need to be rebuilt. And there's no reason to reorganize it after doing that. So one of my peeves over time is using SQL Server maintenance plans to be able to set up indexing jobs. They're almost always going to do it wrong. Trust me, just stay away from them. That's another check in Database Health Monitor, that if somebody's using SQL Server maintenance plans, not using agent jobs, but maintenance plans to do reindexing, we usually catch it and report on it because there's usually something going really wrong in that case.
I'd say another honorable mention, and this is in the realm of index maintenance, but also adding indexes, blindly trusting Database Tuning Advisor, because that's a great way to over-index your tables.
Yeah, my gosh, when I originally built the outline for this, DTA, or the Database Tuning Advisor, was supposed to be in here, but somehow it fell out of my agenda. Okay, good one. Yeah, Database Tuning Advisor, I don't even know where to start with how bad it is. I mean,
I think we harp on it every couple episodes too.
yeah. And I think one of my favorite things I say about it is that if you were Microsoft selling SQL Server and you wanted to figure out a way for people to have to buy more licenses, more processors, spend more money on your system, you'd build something like Database Tuning Advisor that actually makes you think you're improving it, but ends up adding a bunch of just complete rubbish indexes that bloat out your system. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.